I picked up this new TE300 on Monday and I tore the bike apart, of course. So this guy has never cleaned his filter before. Wow, that's disgusting. The air filter was super dirty. We cleaned it. It's gonna be going back on the bike. I think there's something wrong with the starter. I checked the Bendix. Nothing is wrong with it. It's pretty dirty inside here, so I'm gonna clean it. And on Monday next week, I'm getting a new starter because I'm pretty sure the starter's shot. The rest of these are shorter, right?
And then wiggle the starter out. Okay, baby. Second. Okay. There you go, push it in.